Hello and welcome back to Bootleg Macro, your number one source for stock market trends on YouTube. Today I want to take a look at RNW. This was the highest gainer on Yahoo Finance on Friday of March 25th, 2023. Now look at this chart. Now what we see here is a move where the stock opened up at 488 on Friday and closed at 536. That's an incredible move, especially when you consider the type of downtrend that's generally been happening in RNW since the beginning of August. It's been a series of lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, and now higher lows potentially. Now, is this going to be a reversal and complete turnaround from a bearish to bullish move for RNW? We'll find out. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the daily raw data. What we can see here for RWN is that we had a very aggressive sell-off essentially since the very beginning of whenever we started to see, at least at the whenever we see at this 3-month price negative here on the 1st of February, where it went to 0 rolling 3 months, and all of a sudden from 593, it's continued to fall all the way down until we hit 439 the day before. On Friday, I'm not sure what happened, but the stock was up 22% in one day. It was up 11% over the week, and it was up 17.8% over 15 days and over 17.5% over 1 month. Now, those are really great signals if you're thinking that this may be an opportunity to start going long, or if there's a reversal in this individual stock. Taking a look here, I can see that essentially what I've been given since the middle of February on the 23rd is a go short signal. I've got a series of, here's my bearish stop, so it'd be at 541. I've got a go short on my short term, go short on my intermediate term, go short on my longer term, and then it's bearish on my intermediate. It was still bullish on the intermediate term and then bearish on the longer term. Now, I judge everything based off the longer term, specifically because I like to have a general trend and a direction in which I would expect the market to move. Now, a counter trend move like we saw here on Friday on the 24th, where we go all the way up to $5.36. That's completely reasonable inside of a bearish trend, especially in one where you have a market that is being driven by catalysts and extreme volatility. Now let's look at the daily price sentiment as it's changed over the past few days. Now, taking a look here at this chart, this is a representation of the ultra fast. This is the bearish and bullish sentiment based on price action. So if you see something that is at 41%, that is 41% bullish price action as of the 24th of March. So when I say 41.3, you'll see that here, this is 41. It just rounds it up from 41.26 to 41.3. And what we'll notice is that we're getting the blue. Anytime you get that blue with the white background, that means that you're going to be under 42%. And the reason that I highlight that is because it's incredibly difficult for this indicator to go below 40 and to go above 60. And you'll be able to see that in other times where you can look here where we were in, it looks like we were in the middle of March. We were getting above 58, but we could not break 60. 60 is a very difficult number to break unless you get extreme moves in volatility and very aggressive price action. Now, based on what I'm seeing in RNW, this looks like an opportunity to potentially go long because we're seeing a resumption of bullish price action while at the same time being at such a low level in terms of sentiment for the overall ticker. Let's see what we have on the weekly here. So RNW is a very new stock. I can see because it doesn't even fill my full spreadsheet. It looks like just going through what looks like through this week, it is still a go short, go short, go short, go short, go short, go short, bearish, bearish, bearish. So generally you'd want to still be short this stock. This may be a great opportunity to sell into strength and get rid of a position if you've had a loser from maybe the high 6s or the 7s if you've been holding since August. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Good luck to all of those traders who are trading RNW.